Okay, this is something I have never seen before. This is a very old PATCO air conditioner. I've seen PATCO gas furnaces before, but I have never seen a PATCO air conditioner. And it appears it was made by Magic Chef. And it's a straight cool unit. It is located at a gas station. Just got permission from the owner. My friend and I stopped here to look at an old Chevy truck. And I asked about the air conditioner. He said I could take pictures of it and film it. This is a PATCO central air conditioner. And I think the gas station has oil heat, not sure. Can't find, everything's all worn off. Obviously it's got R22 refrigerant. Couldn't tell you what kind of compressor it has. The compressor and all the guts are back here. This thing's probably 30, 40 years old, at least. Alright. Maybe I'll be able to get a video of it running in cooling mode this summer. PATCO. Magic Chef Air Conditioning Division, and the serial number's like long gone. I'd say this is from the 60s or 70s. And I don't know how many nominal tons it is. Based on the size, I'd say just based on the size of the cabinet, I would say it is a 2-ton or a 3-ton. Though the size of the cabinet could be deceiving. It could be smaller than that, it could be larger than that in terms of cooling capacity. But based on the size of the gas station and the size of the air conditioner, I'd say 2-ton or 3-ton. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I will get another video of this thing actually running, now that I have permission to film it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.